y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am doing some crochet locks, some individual crochet, also the regular crochet braids in the back. So if you're interested, stay tuned. But first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. So I did get these crochet locks from off of Amazon, so definitely check out my Amazon store if you guys are interested in them. And yeah, let's just get into it. So I am using my crochet hook to, put the locks inside of my hair, of course. So whenever you're putting the crochet hook in, make sure you leave the hook open so your hair won't snag whenever you pull it through a braid. So what you see me doing here is I'm using the crochet hook to pull the end of the lock through the loop just so it could be easier, and then I'm making sure that that lock is secured on that braid. So like I said earlier in the video, I did get this hair from off of Amazon. When you get the hair, you'll get 6 packs of crochet locks, and they also will gift you a free crochet hook. I'm not using the crochet hook that they gave to me because I lost it, so I just used the one that I had from my local beauty supply store. Oh, I can't talk today. All right, y'all, so the back of the head is pretty easy because I just did some regular braids going down. If you guys would like to know how I prep my hair for crochet, definitely check out my last video. I'll link it in the cards up above for you guys so you guys can see it. But anyways, whenever you slide the crochet hook in, just make sure you leave it open so you can hook the loop of the lock on the crochet hook, and then close it, of course, so you won't snag your hair. Use the crochet hook to help bring the end of the lock through the loop. That's optional, but I like to do it, like I said. And then make sure that it's secured on the braid. So I finished the back of my hair off camera. You can kind of see my braids a little bit, but I ended up fixing it after I finished recording this video. So yeah, so let's just get into these individual crochet locks. So I am sliding the crochet hook into the base of my mini braid, and then I'm going to connect the loop of the lock and then slide that through the base of my mini braid. And then I'm going to grab both my hair and the lock and bring it through the loop of the lock. So to make sure that it is secured, I'm going to make sure I pull both the lock and my hair taut, but not too tight. You don't want it to be like too tight. This part right here was kind of difficult for me. So what I'm doing right now, I am unraveling the lock, and then I am twisting it around my hair. I'm going to slow this clip down for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about. right, y'all, so I don't know if I mentioned this at the beginning of the video, probably not, but these locks are 18 inches, and when I do decide to do this hairstyle again, I will be getting longer locks because as you guys can see, I am still working my way down my natural hair. My natural hair is basically like the same length as these locks, and when I got to the ends, it was kind of hard for me to like ravel my ends, so I had to twist my hair around the ends of the lock and then palm roll it so it could be seamless. All right, y'all, so down to the final stretch. I am finishing up the last 3 locks. Of course, I did all of them, well, most of them off camera. This took about 3.5 to 4 hours. What took up most of the time was the individual locks, of course, but you know, it's all good because it turned out cute. And I really enjoyed this style because, like, you know, I did the individual locks in the front, so it looked like it was natural. And yeah, so here is the final look on this look. Like I said, I did fill in the back some more after I finished recording this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Also, leave some comments down below because you know I love chatting with y'all. So let's go ahead and chit chat in the comments. Also, if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.